नमस्कार दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। तो ब्रेकफास्ट, I finished my breakfast and in that video I talked about the difference between copyright strike and copyright claim. So if you want to watch that video, you have to look on my channel and you can find it. So now and that also I told in that video that I'm going to with my cycle a little bit. I'm going to do sport. Mm. And also I told that about my mobile phone which I bought yesterday, Redmi 10 I bought yesterday, and today I am going to open it and let's see whether I bought what was the price, 199 euro. It's more or less 200 euro. 200 euro, if we multiply by 90, 18,000 rupees. I spent 18,000 rupees for this mobile. Oh my god, it's too much money. Moreover, last mobile which I was using was the Samsung J7 or J5. I don't remember exactly, but 4 year I have used that mobile phone, so that is recommended. So, but now it is not working. So that's why yesterday at last I bought it, because after thinking so many days, I was thinking whether I should buy or whether I should not buy, whether I should buy or whether I should not buy. So at last yesterday I decided no, I have to buy. I have to forget that because at last what is going to happen? No, you don't buy this month, but maybe the next month the Samsung, which the old mobile, is dead completely. In that case, and even it is it will be impossible to recover all the things. In that case, finally I have to buy. So why not I have to buy 1 week or 1 month before? Okay, so I surprised this one. This I surprised. Okay, so this is written Redmi 10C Blue, 4 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. Good. Good. One more thing it is written. Nothing else is written. Okay. And in the packet, what I have, what I received, one mobile phone I received, and one more thing I have received. I have to look. This is what? This is a cable. The cable for what? This is for connecting to the laptop or desktop. So okay, that's good. No, this is for charging. Because I have this plug here, so I can plug it here, and then this is for charging. I can charge the mobile phone here like this. You see, this is for plugging and this is for charging. Okay. And one more thing I received, because the guy told me that there are so many papers in this, where it is only this one, nothing else. It's quite surprising. There is no anything It's quite surprising that I don't have anything to how to start, how to. No, I don't. But he said me there should be the pin. Where is the pin? Okay, I'm going to look where is the pin because he. Oh, this is on the table, another table. Because yesterday after purchasing, I opened on another table to look whether everything is okay or not. This is a ticket, 199.99 euro. Why not you write 200 euro directly? 199.99 euro. Fantastic. Okay, so this one I was looking. This is the pin. You see, here is the pin for opening. So we can use a pin. I always have one pin in my in the key. So there I have one pin. So always I have pin. So I should not have to carry the pin, or I have to look the pin. No, no, because always I have one, and that is in punch of the key. Okay, what more thing I have? This is okay. These are the booklets I have. Fantastic. These are the booklets, and this is for. Okay, so so total I received three things. One, this, you see, one plugging per plug cable. This is for how to call this, the cover. This is the cover which I have to put here, like this. Oy. Why not? Yes, it's in trying. I have to use my. I don't want to use my force. Sorry. I have to look. Why not entering this? This should be easy. Like this. I hope that's this time. Have you seen? I put this side, then it was difficult. Now you have to put like this. You have to put like this. Then it will be much easier, I think. No, no. Again. First. This is okay. Now I think this will be much easier. Yeah, this side. To work. Yeah, this is fantastic. This is ready now. Now, how to open this? This, I think this one. I have to click this. Or should I have to charge or what? Okay, now it is open. So it's showing Redmi. Let's see what is it going to say. I hope that it is already charged, full charge. I hope, but let's see. Now I have to wait. Yeah, this is opening now. You see. Now it is opening. Open please. Now it's open. Open. This is saying me 15.5, 12.5. Okay, 12.5. Let's see what more thing it appear. Okay, I have to click here now. This is asking it should be in English or Espanol. The first moment I'm going to put the English because later I can change it in Spanish also. But first I selected American English here. Now I click this one. What is saying? Choose your region. My region is Spain. Perfect. It is already selected because I live in Spain. Now go for the term and policy. I'm not going to read the term and policy directly. I accept it because there should be so many things. Okay. Now checking for SIM card because I have not added SIM card, so I later on I will add it. So connect to network, internet connection. So later on internet connection also I will add later on. This is to skip. Now Google service, they are asking for the Google service, all the Google service here. Google service, use location, allow scanning, send uses and diagnostic data, install update. Okay, at last we had to accept because there is no any other option, so accept it because it won't have any option. What can you do? Okay, it is asking set password, only screen lock or fingerprint. So I go for the screen lock. I never have had used fingerprint, so I don't have any idea, but I have to test this one also, the fingerprint. Okay, so skip this one also. Again, additional setting, it is asking additional setting. So location, send diagnostic data automatically, automatic system updates, personalized ads, user experience program. These are all the things we have to accept because we don't have any option. Select default launcher, classic. I will put the classic. App dryer, classic. Just classic. Go for the classic. Setup complete. So it took only 1 or 2 minutes. Now we see setup complete. Again, click here, this person, loading application. This is saying it is loading the application. What I'm interested to use the camera, slow motion camera, that I'm going to use first time, so that is I'm interested. So once it's load the application, then we use the slow motion camera to test it because I never have used. So as I said yesterday, I will now I'm starting to use it. So in few maybe after 24 hours I will make another video telling you about what the problem I faced in first 24 hours. Then after 1 week I make another. Then after 6 months another, 1 year another, and after that time to time I will make. And once I decide to leave this mobile phone like Samsung, now I am not going to use for maybe I will use for 2-3 weeks more, but after that I will leave that mobile phone. So, but before leaving, before closing all the things, the chapter of Samsung, um, I will make a video, a specific, uh, um, how to say, farewell for to the Samsung J7 mobile, my mobile phone. Mm. One farewell party. I will invite the Samsung mobile. Okay, come to. You can also take the um, lunch or dinner with me, because after um, they are the good friends. No, so 4 years with always 24 hours with me. mm. But now I have to say bye bye. This happened. So uh, this is taking loading application. How long it will take? Does it need internet connection or what? No idea. Why? Let's see. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to wait. Yeah, finish now. Now finish. You see. Now go for the next. Setup complete. Wow, now it is. You see this mobile. Now it is ready. Okay. Now it is ready. The important thing which I was camera. I on the camera. In camera, it is asking me, welcome to camera. You can use this app to take photos, videos, or shoot videos. This app needs to connect to the internet. Require the following optional permission. Location. Do not agree. I'm not going to agree. Sorry. Yeah, I will not agree that the mobile phone, have to know my location or my. No, I don't want. Okay, so I open the camera. In Camera Pro, video, photo, portrait, more. I go for more, because in more, when you go in more, you can see this one, this symbol. This is a slow motion. So I click on the slow motion. Now in the slow motion, I am going to record the slow motion. Something I move like this. Okay, go ahead. Hello, 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 hello. Now I close this. Okay, I close this slow motion, and now I'm going to look what is whether this is okay or not. I'm using first time. You have to know. Okay, allow my video to access photo, media, and files on your device. I have to allow, because otherwise it won't. Yes. We have to allow, because that is to store the photo videos which you have taken, that need a location to for restoring. Okay, now look. I have to use more, because I think I have to use more, because this no idea, this is a slow motion or and how to normal motion. Let's see, when I put my hand, yeah, in case of my hand, yes, I am noting, okay, this is the slow motion. Good. So uh, uh, good, this is you see this. So I will again, you see. So this was, I was unable to differentiate whether it is slow motion or fast motion. But the later on, when the my hand, when my fingers are appearing, in that case I can see that that is a slow motion. Okay, so now I have to go outside, and I'm going to carry this mobile phone, and um, uh, let's see, let's see whether I'm happy with. Especially, I will. You see this hand. Especially, I'm going to focus on the slow motion videos. Whether I have to become expert on that. Okay, okay. Thank you for watching this video. Watching this video. Um, if you have any question, uh, you can write in the comment section. You can contact me through my website. You can visit the latestphoto.com. The name of the channel is latestphoto.com, and name of my website is latestphoto.com. So you have the two options. One is writing in comment section. You can contact me, and another is visiting that website, and from there you can find my contact and you can contact me. Mm. Uh, and you can ask me questions, because I'm going to be a user of this uh, uh, Redmi 10. So so a user can tell you, can give you many information. The company, no, company will always tell you the advantage. Okay? You miss whatever um, uh, negative, the company is never going to tell you. What is positive, always company is going to say that. But you, just like me, will tell you what is the negative, um, what is not good in this mobile phone. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, and notification, also click on the notification button, and hope you will enjoy the videos which I am continuously uploading in this channel. Mm. So hopefully you will enjoy. So live with me. Mm. Live with me through virtual, because there is no you can live with me only through virtual this through this channel. Okay, bye bye, see you, bye bye.